Welcome to the CT.2 Thermostat pairing tutorial. Open the Rointe Connect app, which you should have previously downloaded from the App Store or Google Play. Select the zone where you have installed your thermostat. Tap on New Product and select Thermostat CT2. Activate pairing mode. To do this, press and hold the top left icon for 3 seconds. The device will restart and generate its own network, displaying the last 3 digits of it on the screen. The blinking of these digits, along with the flashing thermostat icon, will confirm that your device is in pairing mode. In Scan, we will select, I can't find my product. The app will ask you to connect your device to the Wi-Fi network. Disable mobile data and select only 2.4 GHz networks, as these products are not compatible with 5 GHz networks. If the displayed network is the one you want to use, confirm the connection. Otherwise, you can change it by accessing your device's network settings. Enter your Wi-Fi network password. Make sure to enter it correctly to ensure a successful pairing and avoid configuration issues. Now, connect your mobile device to the Wi-Fi network displayed by your thermostat. To do this, go to Settings and select the new network. To identify it, check the digits shown on your thermostat screen. These will be the same last 3 digits of the new Wi-Fi network that appears in your device's settings. Return to the app and tap, Ready, I'm connected. If the app displays this configuration error message, don't worry. Wait at least 30 seconds for the setup to complete, then tap Check Product Configuration. Next, you will be asked to enter the installed power in the thermostat, a value obtained by multiplying the power by the square meters of installed mesh. This value will be used to generate consumption statistics. Additionally, you must enter the maximum temperature for the floor sensor. For natural, vinyl, or carpeted floors, the maximum temperature is 27 degrees Celsius. For ceramic floors, it is 40 degrees Celsius. All set, you can now conveniently control your underfloor heating system anytime, anywhere from your Rointe Connect app.